Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I'd like to thank each one of you for showing love and support to me. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. In this video, we are going to discuss if Udemy courses are worth buying or not, and what are the things which you should consider before buying a Udemy course. Before starting, I want to make it clear that this is not any promotional video of Udemy. Rather, it's just for information purpose for you guys. Also, I'd like to say that please watch this video till the end because missing any of these points could prove costly both in terms of money as well as time. So let's begin. As you can see that I am currently in the Udemy homepage. So you can open any course which you want to purchase or you can type it in the search box. So for this video, I have opened a course and the course is the complete 2021 Web Development Bootcamp. So let's see what are the things which we should see before buying this course or whether deciding that this course is a perfect fit for us or not. The very first thing which you should see is that whether this page contains the tag of bestseller or not. As we can see that here it's written bestseller. That means this course is being bought by many students and this is the bestseller, one of the bestsellers in this particular category, which in this case is web development. So this proves that yeah, this course is trustable. Now, looking to the next point is the number of students enrolled. So, as you can see here, there are more than 4 lakh students enrolled in this course, which also signifies that this course is a really high valued course because students love it. That is why so many students have enrolled for this course. Now coming to the point, the rating. So as you can see, this course has a rating of 4.7 star. So yeah, while seeing the rating, you should also consider the number of people who have rated for this course. As you can see, there are so many ratings above 1 lakhs. So in even if there are so many ratings and still the course has 4.7 rating, this means that this course is definitely a good deal because getting a good rating with very few people rating that course is easy, but even after so many people have rated, it still has a rating of 4.7 star, which signifies that yes, it's a really good course. Now coming to the next point, we need to check if this course has any prerequisites or not. So let's scroll to the bottom of the page and here we'll find an option which consists of requirements. So there are two things. One is the requirement that you'll be requiring a PC or a laptop with access to internet and you need not have any programming experience prior to learning this course. And there's also another section which is basically wait, I'll show you. So who this course is for. So you should also check this out and see whether you satisfy these criteria and whether that particular course is suitable for you or not. So we have spoke about the requirements and who this course is for. Now coming to the most important part, which is the course contents. So regarding this, you need to expand all these sections. As you can see, the course contains 35 sections and a total of 440 lectures spanning over a period of 55 hours. So you need to expand all those sections individually and you can have a free preview. As you can see over here that you can preview a few of the videos to take a look that whether the instructor is actually good or not. So and also you need to expand every section and closely see that whether those subtopics are present in this course or not which you want to study. So let's say I want to study HTML CSS Bootstrap. As I can see that HTML has 10 lectures, CSS has 11 plus 22, so many lectures. Bootstrap also has these many lectures. I can also see that it contains so many lectures, 24 plus 15 lectures for JavaScript, the document object model, and then jQuery. So it covers a lot of these things for each of these subtopics. Now coming to the backend web development, which consists of Node.js, Express.js, and APIs. See, 2.5 hours of lectures for APIs, and this is really good thing. GitHub, EJS, you're learning about databases, SQL, MongoDB, Mongoose, and even like putting everything together, you are building something and deploying your web application. So, and also it contains React.js for the front end JavaScript framework. So it contains everything from scratch: HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, Node.js, databases, and then finally React.js. So after completing this course, you can definitely have a good understanding of full stack web development. The good thing about this course is that it also contains projects as you learn things, because I'm someone who loves to build things as I'm learning. And even if you are also a person who loves to try out different stuffs and develop new applications as you learn new things, then you should look for some courses which contains projects in it as well. Because if you want to do some projects and the course contains only theory portions, then that course won't be of any use for you. Now coming to the next thing is, after seeing the contents, you should also check that what is the total duration of this course. So here it's 54.5 hours on demand video. Why I am saying this is important, because there are many courses which claim that they'll make you a full stack developer in less than 6 or 7 hours maybe, which is not true. You can't learn full stack development in so less hours. So this is also a very important criteria for people to judge whether that course would be helpful or not in the long run. Because at the end of this many hours, you want the output, right? You want that, yes, I have learned so many new things. So okay, the remaining things are not that important from this point of view. Next up is the instructor and the course reviews. Earlier we had spoken about the ratings, which was the 4 star or 5 star, that is a rating. Now we'll see about the reviews. So if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can find uh, the details about the instructor and the instructor ratings and reviews. See, this instructor, she has taught so many students over a span of 8 courses. So here you can also see that, yeah, this instructor is like good. They make so many courses, 8 courses, and have taught so many students and received so many reviews. And even after receiving these many reviews, they have a rating of 4.7 instructor rating, which is really, really amazing. You can read more about the instructor, because that will help you build a connect while you are learning, that you'll see up to the instructor that, yeah, my instructor has done these many things, he's really good at this. So definitely I'm learning a topic from a person who has already excelled in those topics. So this is where the instructor ratings and the number of students taught comes into the picture. Also, you can check the course rating as already discussed, and here you will find the course reviews. So the people who have taken the courses have shared their reviews after completing this course. So here you'll get a good idea of what exactly the course contains and whether it is useful for you or not. Although one can't really rely on these reviews, because nowadays people just like go for paid reviews as well. But still, this is something which I prefer seeing before watching, uh, before buying a course. So yeah, definitely this is one more important thing is that, as you can see, this course comes with a full money back guarantee for 30 days. That means if you don't like this course at any point, you can claim for your money back. That is why this is also an amazing feature which is provided by Udemy. and I am not sure if all the courses have this 30 days money back guarantee or not, but you can surely check it once you scroll it and check the course description. So yeah, here you can find that it mentions 30-day money back guarantee. So this is a good thing to see. Now, my final thoughts. Now, I am going to show you a course, and this course. Okay, so this is another course which has a rating of 4.9, and the previous course had a rating of only 4.7. So you must be wondering, oh, why should I buy the course with 4.7 rating whereas I can buy a course with rating 4.9? But remember, what did I tell you? That you should also check how many people have actually rated for that course. So here only 19 people have rated, and that is why it has got a rating of 4.9, because it might happen that those 19 people might be the instructor's friends or maybe family members. So that is why it's important to trust only when the number of ratings are high as well, and the rating is also high. And here you can also see that only 111 students have taken the course. So not many people have tried for this course. I'm not saying that this course is not good or something, but I'm trying to say that the probability of this course being good is not as high as the probability for this course being good is. That is why those are important things which you should consider. Now, coming to my final thoughts, that whether you should buy Udemy courses or not. So, I personally feel that yes, you can definitely buy Udemy courses if all these criterias which I had mentioned earlier satisfy your needs. So as you can see, the price here is shown 560, and it shows that only 2 days left at this price. So trust me, the prices of Udemy remain low throughout the year. I don't know why they show that only 2 days left, because anytime you open their website, you'll find some or the other offer going on. So the prices are really cheap, usually between rupees 400 to 600, and I think that is something which you can easily afford, because there are other courses and other platforms which um, deliver the same type of content of rupees, let's say 15,000, 20,000, and I don't believe that those courses are as efficient and worthy enough. So here you can definitely spend a little amount to buy this course. Now, coming to the next point is, here it mentions certificate of completion. So trust me, these certificates don't have any value. So if you are doing courses just for the sake of receiving certificates, I'll advise don't do that, please, because those certificates, no one looks at those certificates. If you tell them that, see, I have done this certification course, that doesn't matter. What matters is the skills which you have learned from the course. That is why, if you are looking for certificates, please don't do these courses. Now, coming to the last point, make full use of this 30-day money back guarantee, because some people might be wondering that, okay, you have told me so many points, so like, should I invest or not? Don't worry, go invest and check out the course. If you don't like it, then apply, then claim for the money back, and you'll easily get your money back. So I think I have covered all the points in the video. And once more, I want to remind you guys that this video was not any promotional video for this particular course or for Udemy. This was just for giving information to you guys, since many of you have asked me for the same. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, do like and comment on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.